Vous êtes un spécialiste mondial de cette maladie. Est-ce que vous avez un cas qui pourrait expliquer votre engagement et l'évolution de cette maladie?
So that brings up a wonderful set of experiences that I've had over the years. Let me tell you about a patient that I saw last year. So he started tearing up, his wife started tearing up, I started tearing up, my wife started tearing up. She's a physician assistant working with me, and the two residents started tearing. He stood up, put his hand on my shoulder. He had stopped crying, his wife had stopped, and we had stopped. And he said, "You know, Doc, it must be difficult for you to go to varying rooms and tell patients they have ALS." At which point I started tearing up, my wife did, everyone, we were all crying again. And I said to him, "Coach, I've just told you that you have ALS and all you can think about is me. That's what's unique about this condition. It is very unique. It is what I call nice guy's disease." I have gone around the world, seeing patients, lecturing. Every patient is a phenomenal human being. Amazing. I take care of other diseases, not necessarily true with all diseases. But this is truly nice guy's disease, and this patient teaches us this lesson. I was in Japan, and then I was in China. And in China, I was asked to see the deputy mayor of Shanghai. And he is at the top floor of this beautiful, quote, people's hospital, but only some people could be on the top floor. And I arrived, and with an interpreter, he said to me and my wife, it's 9 o'clock in the evening, and he said, "You know, you should be out in the town. You shouldn't be here. Why are you here? You have a beautiful town, and I appreciate your being here, but I'm ashamed that I brought you here when you could be on the town." Out of the corner of my eye, I see a woman sitting on a couch. And I stopped and I said to the interpreter, "Is that his wife?" And he said, "Yes, that is his wife." So I went over to her and I asked, "Can I ask you a question?" And she said, "Yes." I said, "Was he always this nice a man?" She looked at me and said, "That's why I married him." Amazing. Throughout the world, there's something that the way it affects the brain that makes these people very different.